Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Easter box from DUTBLE. So, first of all, this box came so much after Easter compared to the Valentine's one, which was I think 2 weeks earlier than Valentine's Day. And this one came a bit late, so no choice. And also, the state of the box is very bad. So, I got it with this. Yeah. And also, as you see, it was all torn off. And the box wasn't even closed. So, not a good condition already. And not very much protected either. But still, let's open this box. As we see, DUTBLE made some improvements to the box, and I'm going to show you this right away. As you see, the box is so much more nicer than before. Now you have some little printing on the inside. Hello beautiful DUTBLE, you've got mail. And now I see something new: collect points and shop fashion items for free. And we'll have more details here. My package all torn up, and the nail polish was in 2 parts, but I hope it's still working inside it. The cap was on one side and the nail varnish was on the other side. First of all, as it's already opened, this is a nail polish by Catrice, and it's a gel lacquer actually. The color is nice. I don't know if it would suit my skin tone though. I'm not so sure about this one. I guess they should have based themselves on the person's skin tone. You've got mail. And so what's new is the boxes that we receive as premium blenders are on those dates. So this is supposedly the Easter box, which we got in May. July, October, December. December I guess should be a Christmas box. July, October I have no idea. A new system that has been created by DUTBLE to collect points, and normally these points are collected with DUTBLE boxes. So every box is worth 5 points. So with these points you can collect them and then you can shop for free in their premium only shop, which is not yet available on their website, of course. And the thing that makes me very angry here is that they give you a link to check how many points you have collected till now, and of course this link doesn't work anymore. On the other side of this flyer you can buy the PERDITI's BSG watch. This comes in a box with the watch and the 2 interchangeable bracelets. And instead of paying it at 149 euros, you will pay it at 29.95 euros only. So you will have to go to the PERDITI website, and this is the code. Normally, if you purchase it right now, the watch will be shipped out in the next box, which is normally July 10. Next flyer is the Ultrasun Professional Protection, which is actually sun protection cream. And as you see, the flyer is in Dutch. Basically, it just tells you that Ultrasun, they're passionate about sun protection and protects your skin from the harmful effects of excessive sun exposure. And the last paragraph is, of course, tag Ultrasun International with the hashtag Ultrasun. And the nicest post will get a shout out in the DUTBLE story or page, news brief, so newsletter maybe, which has over 200 people watching it. The next flyer is a product that they are giving in the Easter box, but this is not the original beauty blender. Pay attention, it comes from YI Corporation, and it is a mini size that you get in this Easter box. And to get the original size premium, you will have to, of course, post a photo on Instagram. You need to follow the company and the hashtags also. What do we have in the Easter box? This is nice. Happy Easter, dear premium blender. Let me tell you a little story about this Panther ring, and it took a lot of time for DUTBLE to make it a statement ring, and they started to design this ring July 2018. So you had like these packages that you could choose. You could buy one ring, or you could buy 2 rings with a pair of earrings for a certain price. The ring was finished, designed up and everything in October 2018 and should have been shipped to us. But till now, excuse me, we never received the ring. This makes me so angry to think that we ordered this ring and never received it, and we only received it in an Easter box that we are also paying for it. And what do we have more? The Beer Freeze, which is a cooling gel. Studio stationery greeting cards. Wow. Another scrunchie. Yeah. The item of choice, which is actually the cherry on top of the cake, because I went to the website dutble.com/freeperditi to get this item of choice, which I could choose, and of course I would get it in my next box, which would be the summer box. And guess what? Ta-da! Oh, work in progress. We're doing our best to launch this super cool new feature where you can add your free item as soon as possible. So the website doesn't work and you will never get this item of choice, which is normally worth 48 euros. Basically, this box is a huge fail. I'm sorry, DUTBLE, but you are not up to level for this one. Let's finally go to the products. We have the Ultra Sun, which is here, I guess, a sample size because it's 25 milliliters, and as you see, it's the size of my palm. And as this little leaflet says, this is not worth 8.95 euros. I went looking on Google, and this one, which is the SPF 20, 100 milliliters, is actually worth 21 euros, and this is no longer available on the market anymore. What we do have is the SPF 50, and which cost, of course, 25 euros for 100 milliliters. Next one, we have the ring. This is actually so big. It's nice, but it's really big. Let's do it for this. Here, not so bad, but still quite a mess. So this is the ring. The scrunchie, so I already have the red and the green one. This is, oh, I also have a dark blue one. And this is a broken box from the handling of when I got mine, and the beauty blender is really small, as you see here. If I take the nail polish, ta-da! Oh, nice. The Beer Freeze is actually a sample. It's actually a sample. These are the cards, the greeting cards. Okay, things that you could send to your friends, and there are 5 in it. And you have also 5 for cool. Here is the box for Easter, and I don't know how I should categorize this. Okay, so what do I think about this box? This is a very good question. Actually, to be frank, I'm very disappointed with the box. It should have been an Easter box. So when you say Easter box, yeah, you would get goodies in it, things in it, but not sample size products. And another scrunchie and greeting cards. I am very, very disappointed with this box. I don't know what to say more about this box, just that I expected so much better from the Easter box, and actually not this. so many efforts have been made on the box, on the printing of the cards and everything, and I don't want to be the ecological. But this box is gonna go to the bin anyway. Why invest so much money in it when you could have given so much better items to us? So as a premium blender, I'm not satisfied with this box. The Valentine's box was better. There were little sweet things in it, but yeah. If you want to see my unboxing of the Valentine's box, please click on the link here, and you will also find details on DUTBLE, which I haven't gone through in this video, of course. So yeah, I hope that this video helped you ladies to see if you want to stay a premium blender or not, and see what they could bring more. But yeah, I'm just sad. I hope you guys had a nice Easter, and let's wait for the next box in July and see if they can do better. Thank you for watching. Bye!